Hey, so if you want to create professional company profile slides using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so your presentation looks clean, trustworthy, and well structured. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, click to create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to build your company profile. Start by choosing a clean and professional theme. Pick colors and fonts that match your brand identity. Consistent design across all slides helps build trust and makes your company look more established. Begin with a strong title slide. Include your company name, logo, and a short tagline if you have one. This sets the tone for the rest of the presentation. Next, add an About Us slide. Briefly explain who you are, what you do, and what problem your company solves. Keep the text short and clear. Avoid long paragraphs. Bullet points work best here. Then create slides for your services or products. Clearly explain what you offer and how it helps clients. Use icons, images, or simple visuals to make this section more engaging and easy to understand. Add a slide for your mission and vision. This shows your company's values and long-term goals. It helps build credibility, especially when presenting to clients or partners. You should also include a team slide. Highlight key team members with names, roles, and photos if possible. This makes your company feel more human and trustworthy. Next, add a portfolio or achievements slide. Show past work, clients, or key results using visuals or short points. This builds confidence in your expertise. Finally, end with a contact slide. Include your website, email address, phone number, and social links so people know how to reach you. Before finishing, review all slides for alignment, spelling, and consistency. Make sure everything looks polished. And that's it. By structuring your content clearly, using consistent design, and keeping slides simple, you can create professional company profile slides in Google Slides. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.